It's finally here. Introducing the new Knipex pliers wrench, now in a black finish. The best just got even better. Now 10% lighter. Increased jaw capacity. More adjustment positions to find the perfect fit. A laser etched adjustment scale to preset the jaw opening. A thinner jaw profile, easier access to tight spaces. A recessed area for an improved grip. And all the features you know and depend upon of the original pliers wrench. Fast push-button adjustment that locks into place. Internal cam design allows for quick and easy ratcheting. Non-marring jaws prevent scratching and rounding corners. Built-in pinch guard prevents finger and hand pinching. 10 times hand strength. Made in Germany with the finest chrome vanadium electric steel. Also available in a chrome finish, comfort grip, and insulated versions. Now available in 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch sizes to suit all your needs. This is the new Knipex pliers wrench. Knipex, proven quality.
First time I used the M18 Fuel multi-tool, I was blown away.
The speed was most apparent when we were cutting really old hardwood. It cut through it like it was a brand new piece of pine.
The power on the M18 Fuel offsetting tool was good and efficient.
I couldn't believe the power and the speed that it had behind it. From wood to nails, it just cut no problem.
With the vibration on the M18 oscillating multi-tool is noticeably different than any other multi-tool out there. You can run it for an entire day and your hands aren't shaking at the end of the day.
The vibration was just really low, really minimal. Whenever I made turns or cuts, it didn't jump up at me, it just kept going straight wherever it needed to go.
Once you really start pushing in, you normally feel that vibration, especially metal. I really didn't feel that much vibration compared to others.
Once you start making your cut, the auto feature comes on and it actually really increases the speed of it.
It helps me be more productive throughout the day. The M18 oscillating multi-tool is much quicker, easier to maneuver, and more efficient than any other.
For a cordless multi-tool, Milwaukee Fuel is hands down the best in the game.
In life, there are certain things you can always rely on. Hard work starts before the sunrise. A strong cup of coffee will get you through just about anything. And trust, well, that's built one day at a time. When it comes to your tools, trust is everything. We developed the ToughBuilt Massive Mouth Roller to be one of those things you can always rely on. A rugged exterior that protects from the environment. Off-road wheels to handle any terrain. Heavy stitched and riveted construction for extra toughness. And our patented Cliptex system that provides endless options for organization. With an innovative massive mouth opening for easy access, this bag literally eats up the competition. In life, there are some things you can always rely on. We made sure the ToughBuilt Massive Mouth Tool Bag is one of them. It's not just a bag, it's ToughBuilt. Available at Lowe's. Purchase and register your product now for your chance to win.
A new addition to the Estwing striking tool family is the Hammer Tooth. It is available in two sizes, 22 ounce and 24 ounce, with your choice of milled or smooth face. The Hammer Tooth is an all-steel hammer with a small tooth extending from the handle a few inches below the claw. This little addition makes a big difference in safety and productivity on the job. A common problem when building walls, floors, or roofs is crooked or twisted studs or joists. The best solution to correct alignment of warped framing is the Hammer Tooth by Estwing. The Hammer Tooth is forged of solid steel like all Estwing hammers. The Hammer Tooth design makes it easy to align framing. Simply place the claw over the twisted 2x, move the board into position, and nail. The addition of this tooth makes this hammer far more versatile, eliminating the need for another more costly specialty tool. The hammer tooth also eliminates the need for a second worker to help straighten and position the board, which is non-productive and potentially dangerous. It also eliminates the need to either locate or carry an additional tool with you all day long. The hammer tooth is designed to fit snugly around any 2x lumber. This provides leverage for one man to easily line up framing with one hand while using a nail gun with his other. The hammer tooth is the best solution for many construction situations.
The Bosch 12V Max FlexiClick 5-in-1 drill driver system is designed for professionals who want a high-quality tool that redefines their limits to get the tough jobs done. At only 1.4 lbs and 265 lbs of torque, this robust drill driver delivers the performance you expect in the size you want. It has 2 speed settings for quick jobs and precision work. It starts with a magnetic bit holder for basic driving. The 4 attachments: a locking bit holder, a keyless chuck, an offset angle and a right angle, each attached to the tool securely and easily with the one-click interface. The right angle attachment is for tight spaces, and it works with all 3 other adapters. The offset angle attachment delivers precise screwdriving close to edges. Both of these attachments rotate to 16 positions without removing them.
Lifting and aligning heavy objects is part of any installation job. But what if you could do it faster, easier, with less effort, and minimize the risk of damage? You can! Introducing the AirShim. The AirShim brings a brand new one-man approach to leveling, prying, and moving objects of all shapes and sizes up to 300 pounds. Once you start using the AirShim, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The AirShim allows you to lift, shift, align, level, and plumb faster and more accurately than ever before.
Normally need 2 people to level something out. The AirShim would cut it down probably 75 to 80% of the time to a one-person job, which will save on manpower, which will get the job done quicker and save money in the long run.
The AirShim is simple to use. Place it where you need pressure or support. Squeeze the bulb to inflate it to the desired position or level of pressure. Use AirShim's bleeder valve to make precise adjustments. Secure the object's position and deflate the AirShim. For tricky installations, use multiple AirShims and eliminate the need for that extra set of hands.
They can take a pretty good beating and a lot of weight on them, and I would highly recommend them. We put some pretty big cabinets on them and some really heavy entry doors, and it didn't phase them. They worked just fine.
AirShim is a contractor-grade tool that won't let you down. Built to last with tough, rugged materials and high-quality components, the AirShim is ready when you need it. Design features like a rounded corner, soft scratch-resistant outer shell, and an internal stiffener lets you put AirShim right where you need it, and it stays put.
The ultimate in versatility and gripping power. The Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench combines the secure fit of an adjustable wrench with the torque and clamping power of locking pliers in one tool. Smooth action adjustable jaws open for larger sized fasteners, and serrated teeth provide a non-slip grip. To use, adjust the jaws to a fastener and clamp the locking pliers. The jaws lock tight and double the gripping power, even on rounded fasteners. Now you can apply more torque without slipping. The quick release makes repositioning fast and easy. A chrome finish resists rust and corrosion. The laser etch scale makes size adjustment quick and easy. And a dual material handle maximizes comfort and control.
Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless jigsaw. It has a variable 6-speed control dial and delivers up to 3,500 strokes per minute for fast and efficient cutting. The no-load speed reduction feature automatically reduces blade speed before it comes in contact with the workpiece for more accurate cutting starts. Convenience features include a large 2-finger trigger switch, a toolless blade change, built-in dual LED lights, and a heavy-gauge aluminum base. It has a compact and ergonomic design at 10.5 inches long and weighs only 5.8 pounds with battery. And with the efficient Makita brushless motor, you get longer runtime, more power and speed, and longer tool life. The XV-J02 is compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, which have the fastest charge time in their categories.
There's a new way to measure that's faster, easier, and far more efficient. Introducing the 3-in-1 Measure King. With the Measure King, you can now measure curves. Ordinary tape measures are metal and can't be used for accurately measuring curved areas. But with the Measure King's roll mode, you can measure curves by simply rolling. The digital readout shows you the distance. In roll mode, you can measure irregular shaped objects of all kinds. And unlike ordinary measuring tapes, you can do it with just one hand. Ordinary measuring tapes use traditional metal tape that crinkles when bent. The Measure King uses a revolutionary new flex cord, so you can easily and accurately measure around objects. The measurements appear on the digital display. You can measure pillars. You can measure people. You can measure anything that's rounded. Ordinary measuring tapes are now a thing of the past. And to save you time, there's also the laser mode. You can measure distances instantly by simply pointing the laser. Whether you're a contractor, a carpenter, a plumber, a mechanic, a handyman, or anyone else, the 3-in-1 Measure King makes measuring faster, easier, and far more efficient. The Measure King is made to contractor standards. It's rugged and durable, and its measurements are accurate down to 1/100th of an inch.
Strider ratchet straps use design innovation to address specific problems with storage, strap protection, and ease of use experienced with traditional ratchet straps. The top-level UX strap combines and enhances the features of the SX and RX, offering a completely self-contained ratchet strap. A winding spool and locking mechanism store and protect the strap and complement a housing design that locks hooks into place when not in use. Connectors on each side of the housing attached to other UX straps